This is a quick review of our hotel room at the Steigenberger in Doha, Qatar. Room 728. Here's the key. Alright. Just go ahead and turn on the master. Here we go. This is very close to the airport. This is room 728. As you can see, it's indicated by the blue dot here. Okay. So this is the entrance. On this side, you have a very nice art on the wall and a storage space backed by marble for your luggage. Below that, you have two drawers for various things, soft clothes, very nice. On this side, you have some shoe tools and a sewing kit. And on the bottom, you have space for another full-size luggage. Looking into the room, you see on the left side, we have 3 full-size dressers. Very nice. And on the right side, you have your restroom. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom first. Here is your king-size bed. As you can see, it is very nicely appointed with a very nice backsplash here and a soft touch backboard. 2 nightstands on both sides. One is lighted, the other one is not, because I could not. Oh, there's a little button down there. I'll turn it on later. The AC is a touchscreen panel. You can decrease the temperature, increase the temperature, switch the Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. Control the fan, and you have your light for your cove right here, which is the entrance hall. You can turn that off, turn that back on. Here's the master off, here's the master on, and this mood button turns off some of the lights. This is master with everything on. Here's the mood button right here. I think it dims the light by about 70%, so from a 100% to about 30%. Of course, the camera auto compensates, so you didn't see that drastic of a cut in light, but it is much easier on the eyes for when you're resting and you're about to go to sleep. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and turn it back on here. Whoops. That is master off. This is master on. Okay. This is 100% brightness here. All right. So let's back up a little bit. We have our restroom here with a full-size marble tub and a full mirror in the back there. And here's your sink with a scale on the left side right here, and storage space on the right side. This is a drawer that comes out to show the hair dryer, soft clothes as well. You have a kit for amenities here, loofah, sanitary bags, various things. You have your 2 sizes of soap and your shampoo with conditioner and your shower gel. Okay. You have very nice cups for brushing, hot and cold water, of course, hand towels, American plugs for your shavers, 120 and 230. This is a makeup mirror with a backlight. There you go. Turn it on. All right. Now to the right, you have a frosted door for your toilet. It's a very nice toilet. As you can see, there's marble from floor to ceiling. It's very nice toilet actually. Good piece of art on the wall. Light from the top down, ventilation. A nice little nook with under cabinet light, under lighting, which is very, very nice. Now this is a total toilet, which means it has a bidet that's built in. This is a Japanese brand, and you can see it is a pretty good model here. You got various touch controls and presets for 2 people. You have your toilet paper there, a spare right there, a phone, as well as a wash sprinkler thing for these countries. I think it's for your feet and whatnot, or to wash the basin or something. I don't know how to use it. Anyway, okay, so on the right, you have a full standing shower, and everything's gold, accented, pretty good. You have a hand spray. Let's see. Okay, see there. And you have a rain shower head at the top. Very nicely done. Okay. Let's take a look over here. We have our full-size bath, which is encased within marble. Very, very nice. I love this. And you have towel rack on this side, a towel hanger, and a clothes drying point. Okay. Let's take a look at your closet here. Here we go. 2 extra pillows, blanket at the top, clothes hanger, 2 different kinds, a robe, an ironing board on the right, and an iron on the left, flashlight, laundry bags with some literatures on there, and down here you have his and her slippers and some extra things for your shoes. Okay. On this side, you have a coffee nook, which is very, very nice for coffee and tea actually. So there's a coffee maker here on the left and a tea kettle on the right with various things with your sugar and tea packets and things like that. Down here, you have a very nice space for your fridge. Small size fridge, good enough for hotel guests. And these are complimentary waters. Very good. We're outside. I put them on inside. Okay. And here we have ventilation here and some extra space for backpacks. You have an electronic safe here. Okay. And some extra drawers with soft close, obviously. All right, looking into here, we have a very nice space underneath the TV that runs the full length of pretty much the room, which is lovely. Lots of space for storage. Looks really cool, very modern. 2 large pieces of art on the wall, quite modern, very nice, full size, lovely. And you have a very good work desk here with trash can obviously at the bottom. Very nice, soft. This is velour, I think. Very nice and comfortable. And sit down. here. This is leather, or false leather, I believe. And it's got their brand on it. Looks pretty good. Not sure how to turn on this light. I think there's a button somewhere. Where is it? Oh, yeah, there's a little switch down here. There we go. So we have some lights now. You have your various outlets. Oh, that's a good universal outlet right here. Beautiful with USB ports. Not sure why they have a telephone port in here, but that's a Qatari plug. Okay, pretty standard here. You have a magazine rack that you can put your books and things in there. Okay, drawers. Okay, soft close. Okay, so sitting here looking back at the room, you can see it's a very good sized room with quite a bit of amenities. All right, you have your couch here, nice coffee table, marble top, very nice. Good enough seating for 3 people actually, not just 2. Nice modern design for the light. And of course, backlighting behind the curtains. Always appreciated. All right. Let's look at this table here. You got your standard phone. Nice light here. Very good. Notepad, pencil with a little holder for it. And here's something you don't usually see. Behind this thing is your remote control holder. Pretty cool. Nice touch. All right. So there you have it. And you have a very large full-size mirror to make the room look bigger, as well as being very useful for when you're taking a shower, you want to look at things. Also, very uniquely is in this country, because it's a Muslim country and very close to Mecca, you have a directional arrow that points to Mecca, so you know where to point to pray. It's very useful for people in these countries. But yeah, look at this. Very nice king size bed with a foot end table for you to sit on and put on your shoes, or throw some clothes on there. Yeah, pretty good sized room. Let's back up a little bit so we can see the full room here. Let's switch to ultra wide. Here we go. And here is the room.